to protect children? Oh, answer ka lang. Oh, very good. Dapat sa ganito energy burning, ha?
Eme ka, eme.
Sino mo? Ano yung ba to? Ano yung ba balato? Ang gobyerno? Not yet. Oh, not yet. Okay. So, ang balato, ang no-nato, and ang pro-protective for children, especially made for children's protection, is Republic Act number 7610. Okay? So, it is an act providing for stronger deterrence and special protection against child abuse, exploitation, and discrimination, and for other purposes. So, special protection for children. Kaya kailangan protect ang children. Kaya kailangan protect ang children.
PC, Central. Pag-asa.
Yes. I know you're aware of the Pilipinas about our issues. So children are the future country. So kung hindi mo ay nagpapatago or papatago ng mga bata, wala ng Philippines. Diba? So, we have to know protect the children. No? Our basic system. So it aims to protect children from child prostitution, sexual abuse, child trafficking, physical violations, business shows, and other abuses. Okay, so niyan, applicable sa sahod. Next, who are children? The identical is who are children? Kamu tanan children.
Mereka ni anak pahangin ni.
For example, when we years old na children pa, or child pa,
Ako ba yung banda?
so, ang ating balaod, ang RA 76 define